Welcome, here I've got BLACKVIEW A60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the picture size at the third position here. When we tap on this we can manage it, so here we can change the ratio. Connected with the quality of the picture, we have 8 megapixels quality with 4:3 ratio, which is now. We can manage this to lower quality 5 megapixels with 18:9 ratio, or 16:9, or 4:3 also. And we have also available 3 megapixels or 2 megapixels with the same ratios. So I of course suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 8 megapixels to 4:3 or 5 megapixels to the other ones. And now let me change this to 18:9 ratio, because here we can see the difference in the camera preview. So let's go back to the camera. As you can see here we have the full aspect ratio of the camera. When we go back to the settings and to the picture size, we can also go to 16:9 ratio with 5 megapixels for example now. And this is how it looks like in the camera preview. So this is shorter one than the full, but a little bit longer than 4:3. So to show you the difference, let's go back again to the settings and let's pick once again 4:3, the original one, with the best possible quality now. But remember that you can manage all of this as you need. And in the camera preview, this is how the 4:3 ratio looks like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.